Welcome to Brain Vision.
Your company is planning to organize a workshop on quality management. There are 10 managers in your company, all of whom have received free passes for the workshop. These passes would allow 5 free seats to the individuals. The managers from other companies can also attend the event. However, they need to pay $60 per person. All the people attending the workshop would get complimentary lunch, snacks, and parking facilities without any additional fees. There are certain costs associated with the workshop, including a lunch cost of $5 per person. I'm going to make notes as we go to keep track of the information. A snacks cost of $3 per person. A parking cost of $4 per person. Speakers cost $800 per speaker. A total of 5 speakers are used. Registration fee of $750 per person. And an auditorium cost of $200. Approximately how many managers from outside the company required to attend the meeting so that the workshop would reach the break-even point? Quality management is the demonstration of regulating movements of every sort and errands expected to keep an ideal degree of greatness. It incorporates the assurance of a quality strategy, making and carrying out quality preparation and affirmation, and quality control and quality improvement. One of the things they would also want to do is make sure that their costs don't exceed their revenue, so they would want to, at minimum, reach that break-even point. So let's start with looking at our variable costs. So our variable costs are the lunch cost. So lunch plus the snacks plus parking plus the registration fee. Lunch is $5, so at this point I'm just substituting it in, plus the snack of $3, plus parking of $4, plus the registration fee of $750, gives me a variable cost per person of $19.50. So variable cost is $19.50 per person. Our fixed costs are the speakers plus the auditorium plus the cost of allocating those 10 free tickets. So plus the 10 free tickets to those managers. The speakers were $800 times 5, because there were 5 speakers, plus the $200 for the auditorium, plus 10 times $19.50, because they are absorbing this variable cost for those 10 people. 800 times 5 gives me 4,000 plus 200 plus 10 times 1950 is 195. 4,000 plus 200 plus 195 gives me fixed costs of $4,395. Now, the required number of managers needed to attend to reach break even. This equals the fixed costs divided by the contribution per unit. This gives us 4,395 divided by 60 minus 19.5. We get 4,395 over 60 minus 19.5 is 40.5. And this gives us 4,395 divided by 40.5 is 108.52. Well, we cannot have a partial person attend. We have to round up. 108 wouldn't quite get me to my break-even point. So it is 109 managers that need to attend to get to that break-even point.